In this video, we will compare Trading 212 versus Etoro, which is the best investment platform. Trading 212 is a widely popular investment app in the UK and Europe, known for its commission-free trading and flexible investment features. It offers three types of accounts. Invest for stocks, ETFs, or ISAs, or CDFs for leveraged products, covering a broad range of investor needs. For the casual saver or active trader, one of the biggest appeals is its lack of trading commissions, combined with the ability to buy fractional shares, allowing users to invest small amounts into companies such as Amazon or Tesla. It also supports auto investing via pies, where users can build custom portfolios and automate regular contributions. The platform has no deposit or withdrawal fees and is highly accessible through a well-designed mobile app. However, users should be aware of the 0.15% currency transfer fee and on any assets that are not in their base currency, which can eat into your returns, especially for those traders trading US or EU stocks from a Great British Pound account. The CDF side of the app opens for index, forex, indices and commodities with leverage. However, this comes with a spread and overnight fees and even high risk, making it less suitable for many beginners. Trading 212 does not support mutual funds or crypto, and it lacks retirement account options such as pensions. It's outstanding for an all-round, for zero commission trading, long-term investing and do-it-yourself portfolio builders who want more than just ETFs. Etoro is a social trading and multi-asset platform that blends traditional investing with innovative features like CopyTrading, which users can mirror the portfolios of successful investors. It supports trading across a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and CFDs, all within a user-friendly interface and even an interactive mobile interface. Stocks and ETF trades are commission-free, which makes Etoro appealing for many beginner investors or casual traders. However, the platform's fee structure is a lot more complex than other competitors. All accounts are denominated in US dollars, so deposits from non-US dollar currencies can incur a 0.5% conversion fee. There is also a minimum withdrawal fee of $5 and a $10 monthly inactive fee after 1 year of no activity. For crypto and CFD, its spread overnight charges may apply, and they can be very high, especially on leveraged positions. What makes Etoro unique is a combination of social investing features and asset diversity. You can buy crypto like Bitcoin, trade Tesla stock, or copy a professional trader, all in one place on Etoro's platform. It is geared towards more active users and those who are more comfortable with risk. But long-term investors can benefit as well, especially for those who want exposure to crypto or a broad portfolio. That said, Etoro is less suitable for conservative investors who does not offer ISAs or UK pension accounts, which may be a deal breaker for many.